Hi foodies, if you are Jamaican, then you know when it comes to any holiday, any celebration, we love to do curry goat. So I'm just going to be sharing with you how I season curry goat. All right, so let's get into it. So usually when I get the goat, it's usually leg or shoulder cut up into cubes. And you can get it at West Indian stores, frozen or fresh. And it's just in these cubes. You can cut it smaller if you want to. Now we just wash it with cold water, lime juice, vinegar, and then we just rinse it off, clean it up. You get rid of the excess fat. Of course, leave on some of the fat because fat is flavor. Don't be afraid of it. And then see, we have the bone. Okay, I don't do boneless curry goat. We love the bone because it's gonna add flavor. Everyone has their own way of seasoning goat, okay? But for me, I use all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, 2 kinds of curry or 1 type of curry powder, and some crushed allspice. And then you can add salt depending on how salty the all-purpose seasoning is. I don't leave out my fresh ingredients, so I like to add some minced garlic and grated ginger. Of course, I love to add green seasoning. This is a blend of scotch bonnet, scallion, onion, garlic, thyme. There's a little oil in there. Everybody's green seasoning is different, but this is gonna give it such a great flavor. If there's a lot of scotch bonnet in this, like a green scotch bonnet, I don't bother to cut up scotch bonnet and add it to the goat because I want my son to enjoy it as well. So I'm not gonna be cutting up scotch bonnet and then using a spicy green seasoning, and right, it's gonna be too hot for him. Okay. However, curry goat is supposed to have a kick to it, so don't be afraid of pepper if everybody in the house can tolerate it. So give it a really good massage. Don't be afraid. Rub it in. Okay, remember the goat can't buck you anymore. So don't be afraid of the goat. Put your hands in there and get that seasoning into every single crevice. So at this point, I use curry powder, but I don't use too much because of course I'm going to be toasting some curry powder in oil on the day that I'm actually cooking this. So this is good to go. This just needs to go straight in the fridge, wrapped up nicely. Or if you want to freeze it, you could freeze it. And then on the day, you're going to add a ton of other fresh ingredients to make this even nicer. Okay, so this is just the start of my delicious Jamaican curry goat. All right, thanks for watching.